Welcome back to Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and today we got our small little crew to get out and play in the snow. We should have a snowstorm rolling in, and after last week's huge adventure, we decided to keep it a low key and just go out with our close friends and family and have some fun, explore some roads up in Eldorado National Forest, see where we can go, where we can't go in the snow. We're going to be sticking to the roads that are legally open year-round. So we'll see what kind of snow we can find or kind of cool trails we can find. So we're going to feature James's brand new to him Jeep today, and we're going to be comparing it to Tanya's because James wants to build it close to Tanya's spec as possible.
This is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport, also known as an XJ. You're gonna get to come along with us on this journey as we build this thing from this to the finished product. Picked this up for a pretty good price from a really nice guy named Chris. Shout out to Chris. Thanks for this thing, and you get to watch it get built as well. Starting out on 32s right now, we're gonna end up with 37s with also Method bead grip rims. We have Rubicon JL axles, front and rear, that'll have e-lockers in them. We're doing a 4-link front end suspension. We're gonna keep the leaf springs that are here currently. And we're also doing front bumper, rear bumper, roof rack, transfer case, skid plates, and everything you can think of we're doing to this Jeep. So stick around and enjoy the ride with us.
Conditions today are icy. It is about 30 degrees outside, maybe even less, probably less because Twin Bridge is supposed to be at 26 degrees. And we're climbing up to that altitude right now. We're already at 4,700 and regular asphalt road, and we already have so much snow over here. So this little section right here is going to be fun. It looks a little bit sketchy. I have no lockers, and that's kind of sketchy. Voss is having a little bit of a struggle up there, just a little bit. Tanya's ready to go. She's got lockers and the whole deal. Me, no lockers. And he might be stuck. stopped a few times, but yeah, it's way too...
It's way too eroded.
Eroded, yep. Well, I tried taking on eroded section of the road, but that didn't go so well. Flopping twice on the side is not fun. Luckily, there was the good side mountain that held my rock sliders. Otherwise, I would be laying completely on the side. So we're just trying to find some bypasses in this old burnt out forest. See what we can find. Well, we made it back to the pavement road, and we're gonna keep trying to go up till we can't get no more, I guess. Looking for some deep snow.
Is all of the forest dead here?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All of the forest is dead. It's starting to snow, and we found some cool ways you can get around, and this snow is super fluffy. Look at it. It's all frozen. It means the temperatures are way into low 20s. And that's great because this kind of snow gives you plenty of traction. It's not icing up. There is some ice underneath in some spots, but it's not that bad. But yeah, this little trail loop that we're doing here in the old burned down forest is pretty good. Pretty cool little adventure we're having here. Let's see how the red XJ with no lockers will be able to accomplish the same hill that I did.
Go, 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 go. There you go.
All right, so we got this little creek here, and we got to go over this berm. Crew chief had 2 attempts. We'll see what this red one will do. James! You have to commit and floor it from the water up, otherwise you ain't going up. No baby footing it. You have to jam it all the way. Right here, you're good. Just put it in the L and just pin it. Nope, you didn't pin it.
Hey, that was it.
That was not it.
That was to the floor.
Put it in the 4 low then.
It is in 4 low.
Don't let me get in there and show you how it's done.
Hey, you will have to.
Get down and pin it. Put it in 1, 2, hold the brake, hold the gas, and let go of the brake.
That was all this thing had. All right, try that again.
I'm about to get in there and show him how it's done if he fails this one more time. That's more like it, okay? That's pinning it. Gee, I tell him, floor it. No, he's babying it. All right, Tanya, show him how it's done. Get in the water and then floor it. Go. Piece of cake. See, she already knows what needs to happen. Big tires do magic. No lockers necessary. Just keep on going. All right, James, a lesson to be learned here. When you're in the snow, don't turn the wheels too much. You want to go straight, then turn. Because what you were doing when you were going up first, you were coming up, but you had your wheels turning towards me. You don't. You have to keep them straight, and that's why it's digging, and you're going nowhere. So when you go straight, then cut, then you'll be good. But you gotta get speed. With the snow, you need speed.
Well,
okay, remember, you're red, bright red. Channel inner McQueen. Speed.
Cha-chow.
There you go.
Well, I think part of it is the fact that I got yelled at on the other trip for too much throttle.
Well, that's a different
I got
vehicle.
yelled at.
It's a different vehicle.
Yeah,
XJs, if you're joining XJ community, you have to be known for one thing. They're always on the rev limiter, okay? Rev limiter is where this engine sings.
Well, I didn't know. And I got to give a disclaimer. I don't know what this thing has been through in its life. I don't know how reliable the engine is. I don't know if it's going to pop one day with a rod going through. I don't know, because I just got it. So I'm a little hesitant to like just push it, because I don't know that it's...
If the rod goes through it, at least you were having fun.
So what I'm realizing is, and I just have to make admissions here, I don't have a lot of experience driving in the snow. I mean, yeah, I've driven in the snow to go skiing and snowboarding, but you know, quite frankly, this is a very different driving in the snow. I think when you're actually out there trying to just go skiing or snowboarding, you're just trying to drive on the ice and the crap that everybody else is driving on. This is a lot different. So there's a lot more to really pay attention to here. I'm kind of struggling with keeping in tune with, you know, high RPMs and spinning the tires and not spinning the tires. So this is quite eye-opening to how bad I suck. Anyways, back to it.
Feet and we have a blizzard outside. Really hard to see anything. Look at that. Woo. Just plowing the snow.
So Voss is on 37s, and I can see his diff dragging in spots up here, and I'm on 32s, so I'm pretty sure that I'm like, you see the lines right there? Let's see how these little Cheerios do on this. Woo!
All right, we're almost out to pavement, back to Highway 50, and we're gonna go explore the north side of Highway 50, Wrights Lake and Ice House areas. Because it's starting to get deep over here, and we gotta find a different area. I want to go a little higher than 7,000 feet. There's some trails that, well, roads that are open will lead us to about 7,000, but in the snow everything's a trail. All right, we made it back to the highway. Highway's under chain control, but we are at like 5 psi. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna inflate about 20, because we only gotta drive about 6 miles before we turn off onto a different route. And we're gonna go that way. But as you can see, it is snowing like crazy right now. So yep, storm is here, so we're gonna try to play around and maybe even go out to Georgetown. We'll see which way we're gonna feel like going today. We made it to Wrights Lake Road right off Highway 50, and we're gonna try to make it to Ice House Road. It's gonna be nice and icy because it goes up to like 7,000 feet right away. So we'll try to get there in one piece. The highway has already chain control on, so we're gonna try to avoid and come down somewhere where there is less chain control. As you can see, it's snowing heavy now, and it's gonna continue on through the night. So finally we're getting some great snow up here. Yay! We made it on top of the Wrights Lake Road, and as you can see, we're riding on somebody else's tracks, and look at all that snow underneath my Jeep. Yeah, we're getting in some deep country. So everybody's struggling a little bit. Jeeps are completely covered in snow. All my suspension parts are all covered crazily in ice and snow. Beadlocks are not helping me either. It's packed full of snow. So we're gonna keep on going in this groove, and then we're gonna cut out, take the road that cuts over to Ice House Road and come down the Ice House Road back to Highway 50, because we're down about quarter tank of gas already. So yep, it's getting in some deep snow. A little bit driver, a little bit driver, a little bit more driver. Right there, you should be good from there. Keep them straight, keep them in the groove, because it pops out of the groove right here. I'll move over your way. We finally made it to the snow where James's Jeep can't make it without those upgrades he wants to do to it. As you can see, the snow is getting deeper, and he's starting to belly out. I'm gonna hook up the kinetic rope to him and yank him out. Alright, so we got the James out of the groove, out of the ditch into the groove, and we'll see if he has traction right now, as we still got a ways to go in the elevation. We'll see if he's able to move under his own power. My current view of the road. periodically we go blind and the window is fogging up, so all kinds of fun. But this is some nice snow wheeling right here. Alright, we made it to Ice House Lake on this map here. So we got a little bit to go till we make it to the Ice House Road. And we're gonna start heading back. It's already 2:30 and we're getting hungry. Time to go and find a nice barbecue place to have a nice hot lunch. Yep, there's Ice House cabins up here. We made it to Ice House Road and that's what it looks like. It's been plowed, but not today. They have not plowed it today. So yeah, we're still on 5 psi rolling down the hill towards the freeway. We'll inflate our tires as soon as we get to the place where there's no snow, which is going to be probably closer to the highway. What an awesome parking right in the middle of the lane. Some of these people don't know how to behave yourself on the roads. You do not stop your car in the middle of the lane in the snow unless you want to claim an insurance job. But we're starting to see the yellow divider in the road, so we're down to 4,500 feet and this is the kind of snow we're getting here. It's still snowing pretty good and the road is slick as snot. As you can see, somebody went way out there and there's a Subaru that probably needs help.
Don't brake, don't brake.
So we were coming down Ice House and spotted a Subaru that went off the track and it was sitting kind of way too close to the edge. So I hooked up the rope to him and slowly pulled him out. He's back on the road and he's gonna be going down slow because that was one lucky shot, because if you see, the trees are about 10 feet away, in some cases more, from the highway, from the road. Means you're gonna end up somewhere in there and nobody's gonna notice your tracks because the snow is gonna cover them within 30 minutes or less. We made it to the Highway 50 and Ice House. We're inflating our tires about to 20 psi because the road ahead of us is still nice and slick, so I don't want to go to 30 psi what I normally would do, because I'm gonna have to ride in 4 high and probably pull a car or two out. But it was pretty good adventure. We did test out that James Jeep is struggling compared to ours, which means if he wants to be able to go to all the trails we go to or beyond Fordyce, Rubicon, any trails, he'll need to do some upgrades. So, and since we built 2 successful Jeeps with those kind of specs, with Gladiator or JL axles, we're doing the same thing for him. So hope you guys like this video. We'll see you guys in the next adventure. Take care.